Santorini is one of the most recognized vacation destinations in Greece, and it's for a good reason. The island is the most spectacular Greek island with picturesque beaches, turquoise waters, fine dining restaurants, and beautiful beaches. There are about 15 villages in Santorini, but the most famous villages are Ia and Fira, both located on the caldera edge and enjoying beautiful views of the Aegean Sea. The houses in the town have characteristic white walls that add flair to the hillsides. Santorini is a jewel of the country, and thousands of people from across the world vacation here every year and profess that there are few other places worldwide that can match it up.